Alright, in this video we will talk about linear equations, what linear equations are. To understand linear equations, we first need to know what equations are. An equation is some expression which has both the sides equal, like 7 plus 3 is equal to 11, or 5 plus 4 is equal to 3 plus 6. This is also 11, this is 11, this is 9, and this is also 9. This equals to that, this equals to this. Or it is an expression to show how equal sides relate. Like we can even have an x in place of 5 or 4, like 5 plus x is equal to 3 plus 6. Like we obviously know that if we know algebra, that when we minus 5 from there, when we minus 5 from this side and this side as well, we will get x is equal to 4. Or we can have an expression like x plus 2 is equal to 7. This is also a form of an equation. So for this is an equation, and when this linear factor comes in, I've just lost my board eraser, ouch. So when linear factor comes in, when this linear thing comes in, we know that there is some x in it, there is some x or y or any m, n, o, p, any variable in it. But this variable, like name it v, or this x is used a lot, so we'll use x. This variable should be powered to 1. It should be raised to the power 1 and nothing else, like no 2, no 3, no 4, no 5, nothing else, only 1. So a linear equation can be written as x plus 2 is equal to 7, or 2x plus 5 is equal to 9, like something plus 2 is equal to 7. 2 times something plus 5 is equal to 9, like we have to solve it. If you're good, you can know that this is equals to 2 and this is 5. So, and a little bit more complex form of linear equation can be like 3x plus 4 is equal to y. Here we have two variables, x and y, but don't worry, they both are related in some way. Like 3 times something, let's say something apples, 3 times apple plus 4 is equal to bananas. Like if we are relating the amount of something, like that was a dumb example, but you should get it. There are like two variables which are related somehow. Like if we put 1 in place of x, we'll get some y, like 3. If you put 1, 3 times 1 is 3, plus 4 is equal to y, and 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Right? And if we put 2 over here, 3 times 2 is 6, plus 4 it becomes 10. So you know that these both are related in some way. But the most important thing is this should be raised to the power 1. But now these are the linear equations. In next video we will be doing the graphs of linear equation, which are like the straight line graphs. Either they're sloping or sloping this way or this way. This is x-axis, y-axis. Like the linear equation graphs are like the straight lines. We will cover them in the next video, and there's other video for solving linear equations. Alright, I didn't need to write that. There's other video for solving the linear equations, more complex equations. There can be more complex equation. We'll be discussing that. The link for this video, you can find that in the description, and link for this video can also be seen in the description. Thank you for watching.